What am I doing later? You're so silly. I'm married. Hey, it's Teacher TJ, or you can call me Tijarah, whatever you want to call me. What do you think? Do you think I should be Tijarah Brown or TJ Brown or Teacher TJ? I'm trying to brand myself, and I don't know. I'm just a teacher off for the summer, trying to keep myself busy. Speaking of which, it is wash day. I'm taking out my mini twists. And I want to talk to you about onion juice. Woo, woo, woo. I'm so excited. Who ever knew that onions could be packed with so many benefits for so many uses? My goodness. So today I want to talk to you about the benefits of using onions for hair growth, specifically red onion. And it has a little cousin named garlic. Okay, that we're going to talk about as well, but briefly. But the winner and the star of the day is red onion. Ooh, mwah. So, what does red onion do? I have my little notes here. Red onion, and these things I know. I just had to go on the internet and check just to make sure I could sound like I know what I'm talking about, even though I'm not an expert. But let's start with red onion and its benefits. It promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall and breakage. It promotes, improves scalp circulation and combats dandruff. I don't get much dandruff, but I definitely have issues with, hair fall. That's why I have these onions on my edges. So if you need to regrow your edges, put an onion on it. So some ways to use it. You can make a fresh juice with a juicer. Or I'm going to pull out that old juicer and I'm going to extract all of the juices and get rid of the pulp. And then I'm going to apply it directly on my edges and in my scalp. Especially, it's real easy with mini twists. And I'm going to put it on there right before wash day. Okay, that's kind of my strategy. All right, you're gonna boil. You can boil the onion peels on the stove, which is what I'm doing right now as we speak, for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can spray it, get yourself a nice little sprayer. Okay, and then you can use a dropper. I'm a dropper queen, all right? And you can drench it as a final rinse. I do that a lot. And you would think, oh, I'm gonna smell like onions. No, you're not. It doesn't. It just goes away, and cover that mess up with your favorite perfume and keep it moving, All right, so I ended up making my concoctions. I've been doing this for years. People come by my house and they're like, what is that? And I'm like, oh, that's my onion water or onion juice that I use to fertilize my plants. I use it for my hair. Of course, I strain it. I leave all the onions in there and the garlic, so you can even see it has a little bit of garlic in there. It kind of keeps insects out of my potted plants as well. See, I got potted plants everywhere, all over the place. And because I'm just a plant queen. I love me some plants. But nonetheless, I just wanted to tell you that, guys, how great it is. I'm trying to regrow these edges because I'm in my 50s, and at this age, my edges just start looking pitiful. But I can see little baby hairs coming in. Well, I hope you enjoyed my quick little blurb, and I want you to watch part 2 on how to make your own little tonics using onion juice. See you next time. Goodbye. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.